Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your notes and text files secure using EncryptPad. EncryptPad is just an open source text editor with an encryption function. What makes it different from other editors is that it's extremely easy to use, exportable, and multi-platform. There are versions for Windows, Linux, or macOS. EncryptPad protects text files, images, videos, or archives with passwords, key files, or even both. In today's world, plain text is an easy target. Think of it this way. If you are to keep sensitive information in plain text on your laptop or on a USB stick and then lose them or they got stolen, whoever will possess them would be able to read all of the unencrypted contents of your drive. Of course, there are many other good and secure tools that can encrypt your files, for example, GPG. Just that it's not handy at all to encrypt the text file after each modification, erase the clear text version of the file, and decrypt it again later on when you want to see or edit the file. EncryptPad not only does this on the fly, but does it very well. It uses advanced encryption standard for symmetric encryption and SHA-256 for integrity check, and the file format is compatible with GPG, which is one of the most well-known encryption tools. Okay, let's get started. I'll install EncryptPad on Linux Mint following the steps on the official website. I'll go to Downloads and then choose the latest release. Here on this page, you see the versions for Windows, Linux, or macOS. And I'll follow the link for details on Linux installation. I'll install it on Linux Mint via PPA. You should follow the same steps for Ubuntu as well. First, I'm adding the new repository. I'm becoming root, sudo su, and I'm pasting that line. And then apt update and apt install EncryptPad and encrypt CLI. Okay, it's installing. You can also copy and then paste this line, this command. Okay, it's over. It was installed. Let's open EncryptPad. This is EncryptPad. We notice it's a normal text editor like Notepad or Notepad++, just that the text file will be encrypted. Let's play around with it. I am writing something inside the file. Let's suppose this is a secret. Before saving the file, you must set a passphrase. Set passphrase. Use something complex, at least 12 or 14 random characters, including digits and special characters, or 6 to 8 random words. Just for this example, I'll use something simple to write it fast. Okay, and I'm saving the file on my desktop. EncryptPad supports two encrypted file formats, GPG and EPD. The GPG file type is for well-known OpenGPG format and is compatible with other OpenGPG tools. You can use it when opening a file even if EncryptPad is not available. For this example, I'll choose the EncryptPad format and save. Let's go to my desktop. If I try to open the file using a command like cat or less, or an editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or Vim, you'll see random gibberish. The file was encrypted using advanced encryption standard. This is the contents of the file. X encrypted. Later, when I want to open the file using EncryptPad, it will ask for the passphrase. I am writing the correct passphrase. Okay, this is the file. If you want to use a private key for the symmetric encryption instead of a passphrase, it's simple. You just click on Generate Key and then choose a key path, which is the directory where the key will be saved. Let's choose the desktop directory and the key will be named my key. And save. And OK. The next step, which is optional, is to choose a passphrase that will be used to encrypt the secret key. This is double protection because even if a hacker somehow using an exploit gets your key, that will be of no use without the passphrase. And OK. Do you want to use the generated key for this file? And I'll choose no. I want to save it as another file also on my desktop. Let's say my secret 1. And I'll set the encryption key for the newly created file. This is the key, open, and OK. And I'm entering the passphrase for the key. Perfect. Later, when I want to open the file, I will need both the key and the passphrase. It's asking for the encryption key. I'm selecting my key, open, and OK. And the passphrase for the key. And this is the file. Take care not to lose any of them, as there isn't a known way to recover your data. The file will be forever lost.